welcome back to the channel. My name's Safi Sprocket and this is a channel where we ordinarily film about motorcycle stuff. Today we're not filming about motorcycle stuff.
This one was completely my fault.
You may or may not have guessed, I am currently sat in a hotel room and I'm currently sat outside of London. I'm in Windsor and I've been invited down south to attend a YouTube event. So I'm gonna go along, I'm gonna see what the crack is. Yeah, no, I'm really excited. This is like my first YouTube official event and it's like invite only, so you know. I got a email basically saying they're getting loads of YouTubers together. We're gonna be doing some like arts and crafts and stuff like that. I've never done anything like this before. This is my very first time. I'm a little bit excited and I'm a little bit nervous. So I just found out the event starts at 10 and I had put one in my calendar. It's currently 9:45 and I'm running really late. Oh no, oh no. Not even had the coffee yet. It's too early for this. Off we go.
I arrived at Oakley Court just in time for check-in. To say I was a little bit nervous was an understatement. When it comes to YouTube, I have major imposter syndrome to the point where I don't even register that I am a YouTuber. So the idea of going to an event surrounded by real tubers was pretty terrifying. However, at the same time, I was also really excited at being invited. Once we checked in, we were told to make our way along the grounds to a party tent situated in the garden. The weather was amazingly sunny and warm, and the grounds themselves were just beautiful. The whole place smelt like fresh flowers. On top of everything, we were just by the River Thames, and so there was a lot of wildlife running around. The first thing that I spotted was of course the photo opportunity, and despite my imposter syndrome, there was no way I was leaving this party without a cheeky selfie or two.
Just say when you're filming.
It's filming!
Inside the tent, it was decorated with a lot of greenery and a long table for when lunch arrived. And of course there was another photo op. Unfortunately, you can take the girl out the wilderness, but you can't take the wilderness out the girl. And I might just be a little bit too clumsy for the perfect influencer. Lunch arrived shortly after, and there was a lot on offer. Unfortunately, I'm not much of a breakfast person, and I don't really eat until after lunch. And also it was way too hot, so I just chose to stick to the soft drinks.
So I'm taking a little walk over here because there's copyright music in the background and I don't want to get a copyright strike in my channel. But basically we have come to Oakley Court in Windsor, which is about an hour outside of London. Mate, this building, I got very northern then. This building though, look at how fantastic that is. I'm walking on the grass, I should probably not be naughty. Yeah, this place is so incredibly beautiful. I definitely feel like this is a wedding venue and a half. But look at this. Do you know what I want in life? Really angry fish that spit water at me. Look how amazing.
After lunch, we returned to the main house for a few hours of seminars. We were given a few sessions with industry-specific leaders who gave us a whole range of advice from time management to mental health, imposter syndrome, isolation, and even tips and tricks on how to deal with common YouTube problems like being judged on our looks. Some of it I found rather interesting and some of it was just things I'd never really considered before, but overall I found it really useful stuff. After attending all the talks, we were then split into smaller groups to try different ways of unwinding. I decided to join the Japanese calligraphy class, which consisted of learning new kanji symbols and learning how to write with a brush.
Let me first introduce myself. My name is Saori Okada. I'm the founder of Ogami, and Ogami is a Japanese wellness company, and our mission is to really empower individuals to achieve sustainable personal wellness lives.
Now, I'm one of these people who just cannot meditate. I get that it's great for your mental health, and I get that everyone should do it, but I personally just physically cannot. However, I really liked the calligraphy because it was a form of meditation, but it also gave your mind something to focus on without having to sit there feeling restless.
So I've just been handed Prosecco in a teacup. I don't know about you guys, but something feels really weird about this.
Around 6 PM, after the day was finished, we all headed back to the tent for drinks and partying until around 10 PM, when the day came to a close.
So we are done. I had a little bit too much to drink, but we are on the way back to the town centre. But first I need to go pick up my goodie bag, obviously. But yeah, I know this is like a little bit of a different vlog. I know I'm always like vlogging about bikes and stuff, but I thought it was just a really cool event and I've had a lot of fun, and a big shout out to YouTube for the invites and the freebies. I'm gonna go pick up my goodie bag right now. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and in the meantime, ride safe, stay crazy, and I'll see you next week. So toodaloo!
This one was completely my fault.